In today's video, we are going to be answering your top 5 frequently asked questions. Question number 1. Are MoxieLash Magnetic Liner and Magnetic Lashes safe to use? Our magnetic liner contains iron oxide, which rates a 2 for safety according to the EWG. Iron oxide doesn't typically cause problems even for people with sensitive skin. There are absolutely no heavy metals or parabens in our formula. In fact, 10% of people that have used lash glue report that they are allergic to it, and only 1% of people that have tried our magnetic liner report they're allergic. Question number 2. A lot of people ask how you just simply use the MoxieLash Magnetic Liner and lashes. It really is the simplest way to get the lashes you want in a matter of minutes. All you have to do is line your lash with our magnetic liner, wait 2 minutes to let it dry, then pick whichever lash style fits your mood, and literally just snap the lashes to your liner. It's that easy, it's that fast, and it saves you so much time and energy. And the best part about our magnetic liner and lashes is you can literally change up your lash look in seconds. You can pick a different lash, maybe the one you put on, you're not feeling it today, or maybe you're going from like a daytime look to a nighttime look and you want to do something more bold. It's literally a matter of just removing the lashes you have on and snapping on a new pair. Question number 3. We often get asked how to remove our magnetic liner. So the best way to remove our magnetic liner is to use our pre-moistened olive oil cotton swabs. They come individually packaged just like this, and all you have to do is sweep the cotton swab across your liner, and we recommend you kind of do a rolling motion so that you're not kind of rubbing your eye, and that could cause irritation. It comes off super easily with our cotton swabs and is the best way to remove your magnetic eyeliner. But before you remove your magnetic liner, make sure you remove your magnetic lashes first, because actually touching the lashes with the oil can ruin them. So be really careful to remove those first, and then you can go ahead and remove your liner. Question number 4. Can you wear mascara with our MoxieLash Magnetic Eyeliner? So the answer to that question is yes and no. You want to make sure not to get any mascara on the lashes themselves, because that can actually end up ruining them. But if you do want to apply mascara, the best thing to do would be to apply it and wait 2 minutes or longer, however long it takes, so that when you touch your mascara, it doesn't come off and it's completely dry. The best thing to do would be to apply your magnetic liner, and then while the liner is drying for the 2-minute time period, you can apply your mascara and let that dry at the same time as the liner, and then once both are dry, then you can snap on your lashes. Question number 5. How long do our MoxieLash magnetic eyelashes last? You can get up to 30 wears out of our magnetic lashes with proper use and care. So what that means is you don't want to get any kind of liquid on your lashes. You also want to make sure that every time you're applying the liner, you're letting it dry completely so that you don't end up getting any liner buildup on the magnets of the lash. If you do end up getting a little bit of the liner on the lash band itself, you can take a little bit of micellar water on a cotton swab and gently remove it, but you want to make sure to not get the micellar water on the lash fibers themselves. Also, a big tip is to keep the box that your lashes come in, because this is the best place to store them. It protects them and it keeps them looking best for longer. That is it for our most frequently asked questions. We do have a whole list of other types of questions that you guys might have on our website, and I will link that down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope this video was helpful, and if you did like it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you do want to subscribe to our channel, you can do that down below, and make sure to hit the bell button so that you're notified anytime we post. We'll see you in our next video.